Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove this rear light for this BMW X1 from 2019. You can apply the same things, the same techniques which I'm gonna tell you in this video for the left hand side. Okay, if you're not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, you can go subscribe please. You can help me. If you're gonna like this video, you can give me one like. Okay, and if you want to help your friends, you can share it. Okay, so let's get into the video. First of all, we're gonna have to open the boot, obviously, and we're gonna find this plastic cover. First of all, we're gonna have to remove this plastic screw. Okay, you can use a flat screwdriver or you can use this trim removing tool. Okay, you can go like that. Bam. Yeah, we remove it. Now we can use this tool, remove the cover. Make sure to don't break nothing, okay? But as you can see, the cover came out very easily. Now what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to use the ratchet with the extension and 10mm socket. Okay, you can use the electric drill if you want to move faster, but for the moment I don't have the electric drill because the battery died. As you know, in all my videos I'm always use my electric drill. Okay, now what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to slide back the light, and for this step we're gonna have to insert the tool right here. Okay, as you already saw, yeah, the light slide back and came out from this screw. Okay, yeah, because here is like a something like a slide. Okay, we're gonna have to remove the wire. Yeah, anyway, make sure to don't break yours or to break your customers. Anyway, let's move forward. And now we're gonna have to remove the plug. We're gonna have to push this plastic down till we're gonna hear a click. Yeah, so boom, that's it. Yeah, as you can see, the light is out. Yeah, we can put this one here to don't damage it or something else. Okay, this is it guys. This is the way how you remove the rear light for this BMW X1 from 2019. If you like this video, you can give me one like. If you are not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.